Herrera announced today the release and the available of Nitrux 1.7 as the latest version of this Debian-based and systemd-free new Linux distribution for the fans of the KDE Plasma desktop environment. Nitrux 1.7 was released with kernel 5.14.15 and KDE Plasma 5.23 and more. Check out the full video and find out where to download the distribution. Nitrux is a Debian-based Linux distribution suitable for laptops and desktop computers with the beautiful NX desktop and MoveKit applications. Its main desktop environment is Nomad, a KDE Plasma desktop enhanced with the plasmoids to create a special combinations of aesthetics and functionality. On top of this, the project also focuses on creating redistributable applications using the app image format. Now, Herrera of the Nitrux project has announced the release of Nitrux 1.7. The monthly release of Nitrux continue, and Nitrux 1.7 is here to bring KDE Plasma 5.23 to its users. The new release comes with the latest KDE Plasma 5.23.2 point release, which brings initial support for NVIDIA GBM as well as KDE Gear 21.08.2 and KDE Frameworks 5.87 software suites for the best Plasma desktop experience. In addition, users will enjoy some of the latest software releases including Mozilla Firefox 93 browser, Kdenlive 21.08.2 video editor, LatiDock 0.10.75, Dock-like app, Heroic Game Launcher 1.10.3, Epic Native GUI Games Launcher, and Window Buttons Applet 0.10.0 Plasmoid. Under the hood, Nitrux 1.7 is powered by the latest 5.14.15 Linux kernel released on October 27, 2021. The main Linux kernel is used by default, but Liquirx and Xenoid kernels are also supported, along with the new Linux kernel free for lovers of software freedom. But users can switch to one of the supported LTS, which is called long-term support, kernels at any time, including Linux 5.10.76 LTS and Linux 5.4.156 LTS. How to download or try Nitrux 1.7? The minimal ISO has also been updated and can be used to install Nitrux with desktop environments other than KDE Plasma. If you want to install Nitrux on your personal computer, you can download version 1.7 of Nitrux right now by accessing the distribution's download page. Obviously, Nitrux 1.7 is here for new users who want to deploy the Debian-based distribution on their computers. Existing users running Nitrux 1.6.1 with the KDE Plasma desktop environment just need to perform a system update by running the command below. The version 1.7.0 or 2021.10.29 of Nitrux, an Ubuntu-based new Linux distribution based on Mexican origin, built on KDE Plasma 5 and Qt, was announced by Herrera. This new version is set to bring together the latest software updates, bug fixes, performance improvements, and out-of-the-box hardware support, saying that they are happy to announce Nitrux 1.7.0 Herrera. It started at 5.10.76 and 5.14.15 Linux kernels are also ready for use in the warehouses of the system, which is built on the 5.4.156 Linux kernel system, coming with the KDE Plasma 5.23.2 desktop environment. The new version includes KDE Frameworks 5.87.0, KDE Gear 21.08.2 Herrera. He reminded me that Heroic is an open source game launcher for new Linux system. It comes as systemd free. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the thumbs up button. It helps make a good content for you. Other than that, I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace out.